Welcome back, everybody. I want to upgrade my home gym lighting system so I can be able to stream and also record at the same time. If you guys can actually tell how my face is being lit, walking close to the camera, it's not properly lit at all. I bought a warehouse light. There's 20,000 lumens. Unfortunately, it's overpowering and it created a lot of shadows underneath the light. If you can tell, I'm going to turn it on right now. It's just bright as hell. I can actually balance the balance the ISO and close the aperture a little bit more and it comes out better. But it's so much shadows underneath, you can't even actually, doesn't look properly lit. So I'm gonna actually fix that. Unfortunately, I need to build light underneath to actually lit the face proper. So I'm gonna show you guys a cheap version of actually just fixing it properly. Unfortunately, aesthetically, it doesn't really look good, but it's $15, 20 bucks, and it actually works quite well. Anyway, let me shut this off. I'm getting blind, I can't even use it at all. But it's useful when you actually need it. Anyways, let's go to the store and buy some lights. All right, we made it to Harbor Freight. This is a store with all the quality and lowest prices. And believe me when I say it, some cheap prices. The light we're about to buy is $15. We got them in. This is what Harbor Freight is offering. It's only 5,500 lumens, but it will actually do the job quite well. And the color temperature is around 4K. It's not the best temperature you can actually, it's not the best Kelvin that you can actually buy. I say temperature earlier, but it'll do, since I can actually link up to 8. Now total should be close to 30K lumens. So we'll see how this is gonna work. Anyways, without further ado, I'm just gonna work on it. You guys are gonna see me fast forward through it. And this is after. As you guys can see, from the light sitting on the side, is well lit. Now these lights is $15 each. It's on sale. You can actually buy them for $22, so after tax like $25 each. And they have 5,000 lumen. Unfortunately, the Kelvin is only 4K. For content creators, if you want to sit around 5,700 to be exact, to actually get, you want to stick around 57 Kelvin. It will give you a better accurate color representation. Unfortunately, these is only $4,025 after tax. So it's a win, it's still a win for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's around $150. And it's 30K lumen and a low voltage at the same time. Now, if I turn on the 20,000 lumen, the one I bought from Amazon, it's very bright. So right now, the highlight is very blown out. I actually have to adjust the aperture. All right, now the color balance is correct, and you can actually see my face still lit. It's very bright. I can't really look up because it's really bright. So I tend to actually wear a hat so I can be able to continue talking. But I needed something to lit underneath. Unfortunately, when you have light underneath, you can't really walk anymore. So having a light here, I'm gonna actually have to stand right here. So it can be well lit, but it's a well lit area and I'm okay. So if you guys like this kind of content, subscribe. It's actually free. And for more contents that deals with fitness, make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting regularly, weekly, and I'm also gonna be uploading a lot of short. So until then, take care.